Hello everybody, Jay here from Assholes Watching Movies, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. I just got some Holo Taco in the mail from Simply Nailogical, and I thought I would attempt a Frozen inspired manicure, because I am exactly the kind of aunt who likes to pander to her 4-year-old niece. And she loves Elsa, and so I want to have an Elsa manicure for the holidays. So that's what we're trying today, and we were trying it with stampers. So I got some stamping plates, but I've never done this before. So let's see how it turns out. Wish me luck. So I'm starting out with Royalty Blue. That's gonna be my base color. Don't see, I've never been able to color in the lines, so don't judge me. Well, of course, you're already judging me. I can feel it. I can feel it on the top of my head, your judgment. Okay, once I've got my Royalty Blue on, I'm going to put on a Holo top coat. So I've got here Midnight Sparkle for most of my nails, and then the Light Frost for my accent nail. So let's see what we've got here. Oh, look at that. That's a lot of holo in there. That's thick. She's thick. Ooh, hello. Oh, that's very nice. Can you see that? Look how nice that is. Woo, woo, woo. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna be so upset to have to like ruin this with my stupid stamping. Because we know it's not gonna turn out well, right? We know it's not gonna turn out well. I'm loving this though. Alright, you don't have to watch me do this the whole time. I'm gonna continue on doing my hard work. Then I'm gonna let them dry, and then we're gonna come back and see how the stamping goes. Okay, so now I put on obviously my Holo Taco and then a glossy top coat on top of it. Although not the Holo Taco brand, my order came without, so I guess I was a silly person and forgot to put it in my basket, and so now I'm just using the plain old Sage Fit, and that's fine. So I've got from Born Pretty the stamping polish, and I've got some stamping plates before me, and so now we're going to pray to a god I don't believe in, perhaps even just the god of nail polishes, to help me out here, because I don't know what's going to happen. I do know I have to move very quickly, and traditionally I am a sloth, so moving very quickly is not like my thing. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So from what I understand, you just put a little bit onto the plate here. I don't know if you can see this plate very nicely, but it's got a nice snowflake pattern on it. So I thought that was appropriate for Elsa. Oh geez. I'm feeling real good about this. Feeling super confident. I mean, I like this snowflake here. So I'm gonna put that on, then I'm gonna take my stupid scraper, 45-degree angle, wipe it across, get my stamper, roll the stamper, and then get this sucker on my thumb. Ta-da! Okay, is it great? No. But, I mean, it's a thing. It's a thing that I did, and I think it's like pretty much identifiable as a snowflake. Is it worth taking off?
It looks good.
I mean, it's my thumb. I think we can afford to like have like less than perfection on my thumb. Now we have to like wash all this off and start over again. So we'll be back in just a second. Okay, so now we're moving into the more expensive real estate of the hand. Like, I mean, this finger is pretty much like, I don't know, boardwalk. Like, your thumb is like Baltic Avenue, but we're going into like the real money shot here, so we gotta do a good job. Let's move on to a different snowflake here. Let's try one down here. So, paint some on, move quickly, do a 45-degree scrape. Get your stamp, get the stamp on, and then, oh Jesus. Da 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 da! I don't know, I think actually that's not horrible. I think that's not horrible. I'm kind of feeling it. Let's keep going. Okay, so obviously, I'm practically an expert now. So when I try this for the third time, I don't even want to tell you how great this one's going to turn out, but I think we are going to be pretty pleased. Nope. Worst one yet. You know what? I think I didn't do a big enough area. But also, like, I'm getting too close to the trees. Like, these are not really well thinged. They're not really well separated, I think. Anyways, I think I am going to try to redo that one. And hopefully it comes off easily since I do have my glossy top coat underneath. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I've just got my cleanup brush and some acetone. And I'm, well, I mean, it's getting the white away, but I'm not sure if I'm going to really like what's underneath. Aye, Jake. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? I mean, is this a disaster or just a huge mistake? We don't know yet. Yeah, it's not great. Don't do as I do. This was not the right thing. Do. Ah! Abort. Okay, I have been humbled. Turns out I am not a master stamper yet. But we will forge on. Okay, stupid goddamn white polish. Goop it on. Try not to be super resentful of all the mistakes in the universe that happened to you. 45-degree scrape. Oh, that did not scrape all the way. Scrape it again. That's probably a big mistake. Oh no, this wasn't clean. Abort. Okay, give it a nice roll. That's looking nice. And then on the pinky. Okay. Not bad. I mean, after the last disaster, we'll take it. Okay, I'm gonna try it over on this stamp. This stamp plate is a different one. It's got a snowflake pattern here. So I'm gonna try that just to see if it makes any difference. I mean, can't really be doing much worse, let's face it. Oh, that was a total smudge. Look at that. I totally fucked that one up. And okay, here goes attempt number 2. I mean, it's hard to keep going in the face of defeat. You've been burned. You don't want to go back there, but I will. Rip. There's the scrape. Here's the stamp. Going straight down this time. Looks not bad. And I'm going. God. Ta-da! Don't look at the other side, but ta-da! You know, obviously I need to work on centering things. But, yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. It's a keeper. Okay, we're back at stamp plate number 1. We've learned some shit. I hope to God we're improving. I mean, we can't be staying as bad as we were when we started, right? I mean, we can. I have before. I'm not a great learner of things, but let's keep going. Looks all right. not taking too long. Ta-da! All right, I can live with that. What do you think? It's actually, I think, a little bit hard to get some of these like top snowflakes. And they're nice, but like, how do you use them? I don't know. There we go. Another half-assed job by Jay. Oh yeah. Damn it. Okay, here we go. Pretend we're having fun at this. Like, pretend this is a real good time and we're not like just crying on the inside because of our failures. Let's give it a scrape. All right, let's go and do. Hey, are we getting good at this? No, don't say it, don't jinx it, don't even think it. But yes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have a manicure. All it's missing now is a glossy top coat, which we will add shortly. Is she perfect? No, far from it. Is it good enough to stick this in a 4-year-old's face and say, "Take that, Ella!" Ha! I think it is. Thanks for watching.